Hey.
Let's go.
Hi. Where are you going? Ang forma mo naman.
We're going to the zoo.
No, Bluey. We're going to Blue.
Ay, hawakan niyo siya.
Okay. We're going to the zoo.
Ang forma ng baby ko.
We're going to Bluey.
Tinata ka na.
Can I see you? Oh,
Oh.
ang forma mo naman. Look at that. Look at that.
So guwapo.
You're so guwapo naman. Wait lang ha. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going, Wyatt? Where are we going? Where are we going? Tell me where we're going.
Makikita ka niya.
Ba't wala kayong ano? Okay, bye-bye. So, see you later. We're going to... Where are we going?
Bluey.
Louie!
What are you doing? What are you
Ginawa ng dalawa, ba't napakatagal?
Tito.
Hi, are you ready? Wyatt, are we ready?
Look at the reindeer.
A reindeer? Are you ready to see Bluey?
Look, I see a reindeer.
Hey.
Yes. Okay.
Buckle up.
Mommy.
Buckle up, Wyatt.
Buckle up.
Buckle up. We're gonna see
we're going to buckle up.
Bluey.
Okay.
Bluey cow. You're smiling. There you go. I found 3 kids here. Can you remove this too? Saan nyo nilagay yung mga coats nyo? Where did you put your coats?
In the back.
Wyatt, excuse. Saan nilagay coat? Doon sa mga...
Yung mga jacket nyo daw, tita.
Where you gonna put your coat mo? Ako rin, mami, palagay ito. Grabe. Hello. Tita Mark. Hey. Are you guys excited?
Purple.
Can I see your shirts, the 3 of you? Can I see your shirts? Are you wearing Bluey? Oh. The prettiest. Eh, ba't ba ako nakaganto pa?
Laruan yun, di ba?
Hi, guys.
Cute nila, pare-pareha sila.
Where are we?
Oras na ba?
Bluey Camp.
1 minute and...
You go, the entrance is right
What are
there.
you talking about?
There's a secret cabinet that opens to the Bluey. It's right there.
Oh, that secret cabinet. So we're gonna go inside using that door?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the magic door.
What are this? I love the toys.
Thank you ba kayo kay Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Wyatt.
Other Budo.
Can you say thank you to Grandma?
Just wait later. Sabi mo.
Say thank you to Grandma for the Bluey.
Candy.
Come on. Thank you, Grandma, for the Bluey treat. Oh.
Thank you, Grandma, for the Bluey tree.
Oh, you say to Grandma. Oh. Tell Grandma. What are you
Thank you
gonna...
for the Bluey tree.
Thank you for the Bluey treat.
You're welcome.
No.
Hi, Grandma. Ito na naman siya. Budol princess to eh.
Wyatt, oh. Wyatt.
Tita.
A tiger boy.
Hello. Wyatt, ate, where's the secret door?
Malayo na si Granny.
Over there.
Allergic na siya kay Maxima.
Open our eyes and shout, Bluey! Ready? On the count of 3. Remember, open our eyes and shout, Bluey. 1, 2, 3, Bluey!
Go.
Go, Wyatt.
Breakfast fantastic, awesome. Step all the way in. Can we all try out these little buttons? Oh, there's some down there as well. Can we try out all the buttons over there as well?
Oh,
Yeah, can we go stand on some of them? Grown-ups can stand on the buttons as well. We need everyone to try it. Yeah.
Wyatt, here.
Find a button. Everyone get one button, please. Perfect. Adults too. We need every button
Wyatt here. Oh yeah, over there.
Everybody, can you get on this button? Or can the grown-up get on the button? Yes, we need everybody covered. Perfect. Okay. We're at...
Tuwa yung mga bata.
Guys, we're in the house of Bluey and Bingo. For real life. Oh, we have remote? What's in here? We have a remote for the TV. Oh, guys, there's a portrait of Bluey and Bingo's family. Who's in here? We've got Chili and Bandit and Bluey and Bingo. Oh, but that's just a picture of them. Do you guys see chicken? Yeah, on the count of 3, I need everyone to say chicken. Ready? 1, 2, 3, chicken! Oh my God, chicken's coming! The chicken's coming! Okay, let's turn it back to one person. Okay, on the count of 3, say person.
Serious?
1, 2, 3, person!
Sabi ni Joker, sino ba ito?
Whoa! Bluey and Bingo's house, huh?
Where are you guys going? Where are you guys going? Is it Bluey's bedroom? Ah, is it Bluey's bedroom? Wyatt, where are you going? How about Jackson? Where are you gonna go? Which bed are you going? You better find Bluey. Jaxie, go upstairs go with them. Wait for her downstairs, huh? Wait for me. Go! Yay! Oh, si Ate naman. Yay! Where's Jaxie?
He's up there.
Okay, i-ano mo na siya, ibaba mo na.
Kaya nga. It's okay. Kayo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Akala nyo ano to? Akala ko show.
How's that? Is that good? You want this? On top. Got it? How's that?
Wala parang walang ano.
Perfect. Now, perhaps the most important question. Do you grannies know how to floss? Can you show us how to floss? Yes? Some? Yeah. Oh, no, that's okay.
Wyatt, hi. You see Bluey? Are you happy?
All right, here you go, folks. Ready? Very nice.
We are next. Next na tayo. Next na kami magpapapicture kay Bluey. do? What do you want to do?
I want to make this. I want to make slime.
You wanna make slime?
I want to make slime. Yeah.
Gusto nila yan? That's the one you like?
Quiet, are you sure you want it?
You like that? Kasi yung big na, naglalaro ko pa ba ng slime? You want the bluey, the bluey stop toys? You want it? Okay, yun na lang. Natin kasi.
Yun nga eh.
Jaxie, you like this one?
Jaxie, do you like Bluey?
No.
You like Bluey?
Parang yung sinasabi ko.
Ito white, Bluey.
Asawa na si Blue.
Ito na lang Bluey, wow.
Wala, raw eh, pang-educational lang to eh.
Ano na lang?
Gusto niya yung mga puzzle.
Seryoso to eh, seryosong tao to eh. Seryosong tao.
Okay, tama na. Yung isa.
Yung mga ganyan.
Ayan. Mga ganyan, oh. Tiles.
50 bucks.
50 ba?
Bawian ka. Meron tayong 15% off dito. Magkano yan? Ang gusto nung isa, slimy daw.
Si ate.
Oh, sabi ko nga sa kanya, dirty yun. Ate.
5 below.
Ah, meron?
Andun yung mga tumuloy.
Doon tayo, tingnan natin. Pag umalis yung mga pag pumasok na sila. Wyatt! What do you want? Only Bluey?
What's that? I don't know.
Ate, oh. Look, daddy don't like also.
Nagugutom na ako. Ano yung sinasabi ni Ria na restaurant?
Ano ba, HK Mountain ba tayo?
Hindi, sabi niya may sinasabi daw ako, may pinag daw ako magandang restaurant. Ah, yung yung pang Christmas.
Saan ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Sinend ko sa inyo eh, di ba?
Ano pangalan?
Tingnan ko, hanapin ko. Teka.
Si Jack nakikipag-nit.
Okay, hanapin ko muna yung restaurant. See you guys later. Ano na nabudol ni Maxine?
Ayun na.
And cotton candy.
Ang dami mo budol lagi, ha?
Kasi yung cotton candy magdamatakan.
Cotton candy.
Wala na
She
ka
said
na
she promised.
Pili ka, cotton candy. Cotton candy na lang. Ayun, nakukuha na siya, oh. Paano kinukuha yun? Kukunan mo na siya. Sige
Is it
na.
free?
Ano ba pati? Ay, gaganon yata yun.
Ay, ang cute naman ang cotton candy.
Next na kayo.
Yeah.
Oh, that's away, oh. Oh, that's away daw.
Please.
Isa lang. Share na lang sila.
Mag-share kayo ni Wyatt na lang.
Wyatt, share kayo, ha?
Oh, dahil touch daw.
Select 2-3 different flavors.
Oh, nabili mo yung cotton candy, $10.
Pay with,
Hangin lang
may
yun.
cash ka po dyan, cash or card.
Saan ba? Ihuhulog?
Opo.
Saan?
Dito po.
Teka, tingnan ko kung may cash ako.
Or pwede
Card
rin naman
naman,
card.
Card na lang.
Anong gusto yung design? $10 yan?
Oh.
Kaya nga.
Share na lang sila.
Ate, $10. Ate na lang.
Build it, ate. Make it a little, neutral.
Ikaw gumawa ba? May
There you go.
cotton candy card.
Oh. Ayun, tap mo na lang. Tap.
Tap. Tap.
Ako na taga-camera, ako pa yun.
Is it
Why they're making their cotton candy right now?
Ayun ate.
Look, Wyatt, look, oh.
Yes. We're sharing, okay?
$. No, ate? $10?
Ate, natutuwa ka ba dyan? Ano bang nilalaman yan? Ma,
I like the color.
hindi, itong laruan niya.
I like the color. I like the color.
Ano ba yan?
Ano to, Mark? Piniprito pa?
Games and activities. Marami naman po palang game. Hindi, baby, kasi yung temperature niya yata.
Ba't yung bata kang kinuha na?
Ang tagal ng cotton candy natin, ah.
When are we gonna open it?
Ah, ganun pala. Yay! So nice, thank you. Mga ano pala. Mga hindi marunong.
Oh, what? Let me see. Can I try?
Why try?
Why try it?
Okay.
Jaxie, try it.
What's going on in there?
Try it. It's a cotton candy.
Oh gosh.
Okay, okay.
Candy.
Oh,
Okay.
get ate, oh.
Try it.
Try.
Bigyan mo sila. Try it.
Ay, kinalumutak na ni Wayne.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh. Oh, see?
Diyos ko, ganyan lang ba yan?
Making it.
Jaxie, ay Wyatt, bigyan mo ate, bigyan mo si Jaxie, oh. Jaxie, go get it.
Try it.
Try it.
Try it.
Just one, baby.
Try
Eat, 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 eat. Bite it, bite it.
Bigyan mo siya.
Hindi nyo kasi...
Okay, bigyan mo.
Try it.
Pulasan mo yan.
Cotton candy.
I want the old one. I want
Hingi ka na lang kay ate. Ayun na kay ate, let's more, oh. Why there's more kay ate, oh. Get them more.
Sarap ate. Share it with Wyatt. Kumidikit din sa amin.
I can't share.
You can share.
No, I can't share
The laway.
Ay, laway, oh.
There's no way on that.
Lagyan na sa jacket mo. How's your cotton candy, ate? Oh, good? How about you? How's your cotton candy?
Okay, very good.
Good?
No.
How's your cotton candy? Is it good, ate? Hey, Wyatt? Is it good, Wyatt?
Pantanggal lang ang gutom.
Oh, grabe si ate.
Candy.
Wyatt, you have to share, di ba? Ayun, kumakain ka na, oh. Share kayo ni ate kasi it's expensive. Jaxie.
Double decker?
Going.
Wyatt wants to go on a double
Wait,
decker.
why?
I don't know.
Wyatt, where are we going?
I don't know. You know Lou is a girl,
Okay,
right?
we're gonna remove the tag, ate.
No, you can't remove it. You can't
Look at the, Wyatt.
You can't remove the hat, Tita.
Look at the dog, oh.
Tita.
Hey, look at the dog. Did you see the dog?
Yes, but Tita, you can't remove the hat.
Yeah.
Did you know Blue is a girl?
I know. Ate, we're going to Levain. It's a pastry shop.
Okay, does it have food?
It has cookies. Good cookies.
Can we make cookies?
Grandma can. Grandma, can you make cookies, love?
Mommy. Remove the top.
I'm gonna you ask Grandma to remove it.
We can't remove the hat. It's a double decker. You want to
It's a
ride?
double decker?
Here, I'll show you. I'll show you.
It's a double decker daw.
It's a double decker.
Double decker.
Ayan na, Levain. Kala ko Altia nakalagay. Kala ko Altia.
Where's Lavain?
That's Levain.
Which
Cookies this way.
Wow.
Levain.
All we're eating for lunch is cookies. Oh, I ate brunch. I ate brunch already. A bird.
Oh, bird.
Catch the bird. Catch it.
Catch it. Kung saan kasi sabi niya.
Asan?
Mommy. Can remove the
Okay, I'm gonna remove the tab.
You can't.
Removed.
It's removed.
Send mo kay Bert to. Favorite ni Bert to eh.
Ha?
he lists all the credits that I got for him that he wasn't even involved in.
What happened? Are you okay?
Pasa didn't hold the door.
Favorite ba ni Brent?
Nagmahal na.
Bibili rin kayo si Mami. Bili rin kami para sa amin.
Let me out. No, no, no.
Ayun, next na kayo.
We're gonna get one of each flavor. Mommy, you like 8 cookies or 5 cookies lang? 8 cookies or 5 cookies lang? 5 lang. 5 cookies only. I'm gonna try the caramel. Sorry. 2 chocolate chip cookie. Yeah. No, sorry. Chocolate chip walnut cookie. Dark chocolate chip cookie. Oatmeal raisin cookie. Dark chocolate peanut butter. What else? So you have the raisin. I think that's already 5, right? Ako lang umubos noon.
Para lang yun doon sa video.
Oo. Ako lang lahat.
Pinamigay nga. Pinamigay nga.
Hindi ko pinamigay. Ako lang kumain lahat.
Ang sarap nyo kayo. Ay, ganyan.
Thank you. Yay!
Tinanggal
Sarap
niya.
Punta na tayo dun sa ano?
Sa kainan.
Sige. Oh, sumasayad.
Saan na tayo next?
Upo ka pa lang. Okay, thank you.
Next destination. HK?
HK.
Anong tawag na rin ha?
K1.
Kailangan na namin nila burn. Sa New York lang ba itong Levain?
Lang oh.
Ngayon pa lang ako makakakain
Kaya
nito.
mga taong taga-ibang lugar pag
Ngayon pa lang kami makakakain ng Levain na yan. Tama ba ang ano? Levain. I-document ko everything para memories natin. Ina-upload ko sa ano eh, sa YouTube. Sa YouTube ko ina-upload lahat. Kasi para memories namin ng family. Ang tahimik niya eh, no? Start ko lang video or vlog. Kasi sayang naman yung pinambili ko na Instant 360 ko at Canon. Kung hindi naman ako mag-upload, char. Hindi, para sa memories ko. Memories namin. Family ko. We're not going home, we're gonna eat. Ayan, so punta na kami sa HK Town. Kain na kami. Ayan, bye-bye. Ayan na kami. Ito na kami kakain sa... Saan tayo kakain, tita? HK Wonton House. Apa?
Nasa Philippines ba siya?
kailangan mo ba na mag-atid sa'yo?
Nandito kami sa HK Wonton. May doon kami dati na number yung may mga pera-pera doon.
Naglagay kami dyan dati ni Makoy.
Look, Wyatt, my computer. Look, Wyatt, Wyatt. Wyatt, look. Wyatt, look.
Saan yun sa inyo ni Makoy?
Friday? Hindi Friday night, Saturday night. Sure ka, hindi Sabado.
Granny, kung ano pong gusto mo magpaabot ka lang bukas.
Okay, baby?
I want to watch.
What about you?
Yeah, we should.
You like it?
Pag dumaan siya, bibigay mo lang.
Wyatt, you like it? Yes.
Yung so, inaantay ko eh.
Tahimik yung isa, oh. Tempo na siya sa kanyang ano ba yan?
Wyatt, I
Gold fish.
like it.
Harap na kain ni Mami oh.
Huling-huli ba?
Huling.
Nadad mo pang sinabi sa kanya. Lalo siya nagpabeba.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Later, kain muna kami. Ayan o. Jackson. So, order na kami. Tap to order. Anong gusto niya, ma?
Pork bun.
Pork bun?
Yan. Pork. Bake. Ito yan, yung nasa una yan.
This one?
Yan ba yun? Rhea, ito ba yun? Yung pork.
Ilan, mami? Ilan? Ilan?
10. Oo. And then, ano yung sinasabi mong pineapple?
Eto, try mo lang.
Pineapple. Try natin, mga 5 piraso.
5? Dami naman yung ano?
Baka hindi mo, ayaw nyo?
5? Oh. Okay na yan?
Okay na siguro yun.
Oh. Check out na?
Hindi, parang 199 po yan.
Are you cold, Wyatt?
Bye-bye.
Anong number tayo?
Ayun, nakalagay dyan, ma.
You're coming with me.
Sinext kayo.
Ay, text.
Oo. Ano yung sinasabi ni Rian? Ice cream factory.
Ayun o, Chinatown Ice Cream Factory.
Ice cream factory. You wanna go down? And you're not gonna see us anymore.
I don't know when you're
Wyatt, come back here. Wyatt, come back. Where are we now? Saan ba tayo? Chinatown. Ay mo, Chinatown.
Letter B lang pala ito, Rhea. Alin po? Letter B. Pero sarap na sarap.
Letter B. Yan ang nagpasarap yung store na lang dun. Ito yung sinasabi ni Rhea. 3. Rhea, ano to ulit? Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. Ito, Mark. Sanchan.
Pero,
Hindi ka maintindihan. Fresh milk, brown sugar bubble. Bubble volcano. Talaga.
No added sugar? How much ice?
no ice.
Normal or less ice?
Oh,
Base for our bubble milk tea. It's gonna be a little hot.
What's this?
It's the base for our bubble milk tea.
So good.
I want juice.
he's good, thank you.
Thank you. So we're gonna have 1 bubble milk tea.
Regular sugar and ice, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Anything else?
1 bubble volcano. And then 1 taro bubble milk tea.
Anything else?
That's it.
Do you need to buy a bag for your drinks?
Yes. Thank you. How they make their tea.
Did you say like I do this now?
Galing. Try namin ang tea. Ano pangalan nito, Rhea? Chicha Sunshine. Chicha Sunshine. Freshly original brew. Try namin ha. Madami bumibili. It's okay. Bubble. Bubble volcano. Bubble volcano. Bubble volcano.
Yung iba't ibang klase ng tea.
Para tayo may museum of tea, ah. Ang galing. Ang bango ng tea. Ano naman to?
Mahal.
$210 shocks.
Dito lang na to.
Pang dito lang tayo. Ayan. 22. Ay, 220 shocks.
Ito,
$16. Pang ano lang tayo. Authentic yung lasa ng tea. Kasi talagang freshly brewed, no?
kaya mahal. Kasi punta ko $10, yung doble na. Parang $5 na.
Oo nga, sa regular na ano lang, $5. Ha?
Yeah, Bubble Volcano. Just wait.
How about it?
Bubble volcano.
Bubble volcano, okay. Oo. Binidyo ko na lang ng ano, yung pag ganito kasi gusto ko yung mga memories natin, lalagay ko na lang sa, ina-upload ko sa YouTube eh. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute na lalagyanan. Oh, that's ours. Mom! That's our order, oh. That's our order. Thank you. Say thank you. Bubble volcano. Okay, let's go. Come on, Wyatt, come on. It's right here. Nabudol tayo ng ano. Natin. Bumuli pa ako isa, hati na lang kayo ni Wyatt. Bubble, ano, brown sugar milk tea. Bubble volcano ang tawag nila. Mami, sandali lang ah. Tawid na kayo.
What's the granny?
What street tayo? Oo nga. Mami, ano experience para tayo nasa Divisoria? Mark, di ba katabi nito ang Italy? Italy? Di ba dati nang pumunta tayo na Laria? Tayong tatlo magkakasama nun.
Nagpagupit ka yata, no?
Ah, nagpagupit. Nagpakulay yata ako nun. Dito ako nagpapakulay dati sa Melbury Street eh. Hindi ko na matandaan kung saan. Oh, in-check yung ano sa akin dati. Kita. Nabudol kami nito.
Fairness, ang sarap. Gusto kong bumalik para magpa-refill.
Masarap? As in?
Wala, naubos na.
Ang mahal lang eh. Sarap, ate.
Dapat kaya naman pala ang mahal.
Tsaka kasi freshly brewed nga. Hindi siya yung powder na ginagamit lang nila.
Dito ba?
Kanan yata man.
Opo.
Ayan na, pauwi na kaming lahat. That's the end of our trip. Oo, wala masyadong ano.
Ayun na yung parking. Okay na kami.
Bye-bye!
Sila doon pa.
It's the end of our trip na. Bye-bye! Bye! Bye-bye!
Coming back.
Bye-bye! Hi, everyone! Bye! Till next time! Ni Wyatt magkakain ay iinom ng bubble tea. First time ni Wyatt iinom ng bubble tea. And actually hindi siya bubble tea. Bubble milk lang. Bubble milk. Parang tiger sugar siya. Ay parang brown sugar siya na tita yung bubble volcano nila.
Busog. Kumain na nga tayo.
Taste namin mamaya. Bye! See you on our next vlog! See you!